Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you. Having guys a Honda CRV, that generation here from year 2012 to year 2016. And if you guys have one of those, you need to find where the oxygen sensor fuse is located, guys. Which fuse you need to check. Where guys you can buy cheap fuses and relays, that way don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stand till the end. So, before we guys start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you have that generation Honda CRV from year 2012 to year 2016, we will make a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do that? To save you time and money. Let's say you need a fuel pump relay, fuse, heated seats, anything like that, guys, ignition coils, mass airflow sensor. All you have to do is just search for it, find it, look for a second, see where it's located, fix your problem. Because in the manual, often even the fuses are abbreviated and they're very vague and you may not know what it means, guys. But something else, guys. Here at the garage, we're constantly working on things, constantly fixing things. Those are our main YouTube channels. We have over 1.2 million subscribers, guys. We have videos that help more than 350 million people, guys. So subscribe, check it out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Now, another thing, guys, let us show you something. That Honda has some special fuses, guys. But even if you need to buy any fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, guys, okay, anything, you can see you have different kinds of relays, special fuses here, okay, those are multi-block fuses. Like this one is 11 fuses integrated in once. That's what they look like. Let us show you quick. That's the side view, 11 individual fuses in one. This is the top view, guys, of the fuses. You can see right here. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping as well. So let's start on it now. So the fuse that we need to check for the oxygen sensors, where it's located. We'll demonstrate on a 2015 Honda CRV. We have two different fuse boxes, guys, but we'll work in just one of them. And that fuse box, guys, is located inside the car, on the left side, under the dash, above the pedals, guys. Look on the left side, upside down, and you will see a fuse box layout that will look just like this one here, okay? And before we guys continue, let's quickly explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. The fuse that we need to check for the oxygen sensors, guys. Okay, if you zoom in, you will notice that next to each fuse you have a number. That number corresponds to the fuse, guys, next to it. That makes it really convenient. And the fuse that we need to check for the oxygen sensors, okay, is fuse number 2. We're talking about that fuse number 2 right here. If we zoom out a little bit, okay, that will be the fuse, okay, right here. If you need to buy fuses, parts, oxygen sensors, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.